Guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to learn how to customize the display text of your shared blog post. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to blog and then go to posts. Select the blog post you want to work on, or if you choose to create a new one, that's fine too. And then click on edit next to it. But if you wish to just work on an existing one, that's fine as well. Click on edit next to it. Here on the blog post editor, let's go to the SEO panel on the left and then go to the Basics tab. And this is where you can edit your title tag as well as your meta description and your URL slug, by the way, if in case you need to. So edit all of these how you need to and also make them SEO friendly. Once you're done making all the changes you need to make, review everything, and once everything's all good, you can then publish your changes. By the way, you'll see a preview of how it's going to look like just right over here. So we're going to click on publish now to apply those changes to our live blog. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.